Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to reset the service light on a Ford Transit MK7. Turn the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine. Press the brake. Hold the trip reset. Wait for the menu to appear. Navigate with steering buttons to service reset. Confirm by holding OK until the countdown ends. Then switch ignition off and back on to verify the light is cleared. Start with doors closed and key in pocket to ensure electronics behave. Press the Start button twice or turn key to position 2, then use the dash menu to find the service menu. Use the steering wheel arrows to highlight service reset. Press and hold OK until the counter reaches 0. Release and confirm the display reads service reset complete, then turn ignition off and on to confirm the indicator is gone. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your Transit smelling great after service. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick yours easily. Enjoy the ride. Thanks for the support and safe driving. Now let's get back to the video. If the light returns, check battery charge and recent software updates which can affect modules. Verify that scheduled maintenance was recorded and that the oil sensor connectors are secure. For persistent faults, use an OBDROMAN2 reader to read pending codes, clear stored codes, and then repeat the reset procedure. If codes persist, consult a dealer or trusted technician for module diagnostics and repairs to ensure no underlying issue is ignored.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.